check out this absolutely baller setup on this 2021 Ford F450 Limited Edition. This is an absolutely baller setup. In this video, you're gonna see exactly a full in-detail breakdown of all the upgrades that we did to this beautiful truck for our good customer, Nitto. Shout out to him. With our expert guidance, he made some solid choices on his setup. Absolutely went baller on the setup. Super unique build. Honestly, one of the most badass builds we've ever done here at Cosmos Truck Accessories. This thing is absolutely ready to turn heads at work, on the road, at the horse track, wherever. All right, let's get straight into it. We're gonna start with the suspension here in the front and work our way back with the wheel and tire setup, which you don't wanna miss here towards the end because it's actually a really unique setup, and I wanna show you guys a cool feature this truck got for work specifically. All right, let's talk suspension. So our customer came to us wanting to absolutely on all the other F450, F350 setups with their small 3-inch lifts. So after some sourcing, after some work, we did this 6-inch BDS setup. This is a 6-inch BDS lift. It comes with the Fox shocks, the BDS radius arms. So these radius arm kits are designed specifically to help these big F450 dualies, drive still on good rough terrain and on road. So that means you're getting good drivability on off-road terrains while not sacrificing your on-road drive quality. So these radius arms help correct the caster angle so you have better drivability. Also, the cool thing about these radius arm kits is that it corrects the position of the axle, so you're adding strength and more tire clearance, meaning you can fit some actual meat tires on this setup with some bigger wheels. When you have such a beast of a truck right here, you can't be rolling on some 35s, man. Come on, 37s and above. Now for the wheels, these are the American Force 24-inch in chrome. These are called the Shubs, American Force Shubs, dually set. One of the best brands on the market. High-end luxury. This thing's ready to turn heads, just be the king of the road. Now here, the last thing I wanted to show you guys here towards the end for this that we installed is this cool accessory for work. It's the Firestone Air Command airbags. These are really neat because you can set the PSI with your phone. It's completely wireless, comes with the compressor, helps you load up with ease if you're gonna be towing, if you're gonna be, towing a big trailer, boat, whatever it may be that you use this absolutely insane truck for. There's a lot of uses, so these are going to help with the carrying capacity, towing capacity, or if you're loading equipment here in the bed, here in the storage, this is going to be a really nice complement for your lift kit on your truck. So if you guys are interested in upgrading your truck to make it look badass, or if you have a dually and you want to do a similar setup, give us a call or visit our website, or even visit us here in Phoenix, Arizona, 3252 West Van Buren Street. We'll help you customize your truck to your dream vehicle. Our experts will guide you in making the right decision on what fitment you need, the parts that you need, and professional install and service. So visit us here at Cosmos Truck Accessories to make your dream truck a reality.